Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jessie.
Today, we will practice a very useful topic at the cafe.
Do you feel nervous when you order coffee in English?
Don't worry. In this lesson, you will learn a real cafe conversation. Repeat after me and speak step by step.
And at the end, you will do a fluency test. You will order at a cafe for 30 seconds without stopping. Ready? Let's begin.
And remember, if your mind goes blank sometimes, you are not alone. We will do this slowly together. Here is the plan. 1. Cafe vocabulary. 2. A real conversation. 3. Repeat after me practice. 4. Common mistakes. 5. Role play. 6. Fluency test.
Take your time. Speak slowly. Mistakes are okay.
Yes. One small sentence is progress. And progress is what we want. First, cafe words. Repeat after me, slowly. 1. A cafe. 2. A menu. 3. A table. 4. A seat. 5. A waiter, a waitress. 6. A barista. 7. Coffee. 8. Tea. 9. A latte. 10. A cappuccino. 11. Sugar. 12. Milk. 13. To go. 14. For here. 15. I'd like 16. Can I have 17? How much is it? 18. That's all. Thank you.
Good. A cafe is a happy place, right? Now, again, a little faster.
Nice. Now let's use short sentences.
Repeat list slightly faster. Quick meaning helps. For here means you sit and drink inside the cafe. To go means you take it outside.
Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee, please. Pause. Can I have a latte? Pause. For here, please. Pause. To go, please. Pause. Can I have sugar and milk? Pause. How much is it? Pause. That's all. Thank you. Pause.
Very good. You're ready for the conversation.
And here are a few more very common cafe lines, simple and useful. Repeat after me. Can I have a tea, please? Pause. A small coffee, please. Pause. No sugar, please. Pause. Just milk, please. Pause. Now, listen to the conversation. Slow and clear.
Hello.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you?
Can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like it for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. Would you like sugar?
Yes, please. 1 sugar.
And would you like milk?
Yes. A little milk, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes. Can I have a chocolate cookie too?
Of course. 1 latte and 1 cookie. That will be 220 rupees.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Great. Now we will practice it together, step by step.
And as you listen, imagine the real cafe. You walk in, you smile, you speak slowly. You can do it.
Quick little story. A student told me, Jessie, I know the words, but in a cafe my mind goes blank.
And that's so normal. Real life feels fast. People are behind you. The barista is waiting. And your brain says, ah.
So here is the secret. You don't need many sentences. You need one strong sentence.
Like this. Can I have a latte, please? That's it. Simple English, confident English.
Quick questions. Answer out loud, if you can. 1. What did Emma order? Pause. Yes, a latte. 2. What size did she choose? Pause. Medium. 3. Was it for here or to go? Pause. For here. 4. Did she want sugar? Pause. Yes, 1 sugar.
Nice. You understood a lot.
Even if you answered only 1 or 2, that's good. You are training your listening. Now, repeat after me. Slowly. Ready? 1. Welcome. What can I get for you? Pause 3 sec. Again. Pause. 2. Can I have a latte, please? Pause. Again. Pause. 3. What size would you like? Pause. Again. Pause. 4. Medium, please. Pause. Again. Pause. 5. For here or to go. Pause. Again. Pause. 6. For here, please. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. Would you like sugar? Pause. Again. Pause. 8. Yes, please. 1 sugar. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. Would you like milk? Pause. Again. Pause. 10. Yes, a little milk, please. Pause. Again. Pause. 11. Anything else? Pause. Again. Pause. 12. That's all. Thank you. Pause. Again. Pause. 13. How much is it? Pause. Again. Pause. 14. That will be 220 rupees. Pause. Again. Pause. 15. Please take a seat. Your order will be ready soon. Pause. Again. Pause.
Very good. You're speaking Café English now.
And if you feel shy, speak quietly first, then a little louder. Confidence grows step by step. Now, again, in small chunks, a little faster. Chunk A. Welcome. What can I get for you? Can I have a latte, please? Pause. Chunk B. What size would you like? Medium, please. Pause. Chunk C. For here or to go? For here, please. Pause. Chunk D. Would you like sugar? Yes, please. 1 sugar. Pause. Chunk E. Would you like milk? Yes, a little milk, please. Pause. Chunk F. Anything else? That's all. Thank you.
Nice. Your speaking is getting smoother.
And you can change just 1 word to make new sentences. Latte coffee, medium small. For here to go, same structure. Now, common mistakes. Ready? Mistake 1. I want 1 latte. Can I have a latte, please? Repeat. Can I have a latte, please? Pause. Mistake 2. Give me coffee. I'd like a coffee, please. Repeat. I'd like a coffee, please. Pause. Mistake 3. For here or take away? Okay, but common learner mix. For here or to go? Repeat. For here or to go? Pause. Mistake 4. I take sugar. Yes, please. 1 sugar. Repeat. Yes, please. 1 sugar. Pause. Natural upgrade. Instead of I need a coffee, say, can I have a coffee, please? It sounds polite and natural.
Good. Polite English is powerful.
And if you don't understand the barista, use these safe sentences. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you speak a little slower, please?
These sentences are lifesavers. Keep them in your head. They give you control.
Can I tell you something funny? One student wanted to say, can I have a latte? But because they were nervous, they said, I want milk coffee thing.
And the barista smiled and said, Oh, you mean a latte? And the student said, Yes, latte. So remember, imperfect English still works.
Now, listen again. Normal speed. Try to follow the conversation. Dialogue repeats normal speed.
Great! Even if you understand 60–70%, that is very good.
And if you understand less today, that's okay. Your brain is learning. Keep listening. Now, let's make this more real. In real life, people do not always speak slowly. Different places have different accents.
Don't worry. We will go step by step. You don't need to understand every word. Just catch the main idea.
Accent 1 fast and casual, busy cafe style. Hi, what can I get ya?
He said, What can I get you? But it sounded like, What can I get ya?
Now listen again. Medium latte for here?
That means a medium latte for here? Short, quick, very common.
Repeat slowly. What can I get for you? Pause.
Repeat slowly. What can I get for you? Pause.
Accent 2 British cafe style. Soft and polite. Hello there. What would you like?
Would you often sounds like would ya.
Would you like it for here or to go?
That means, would you like it for here or to go? Repeat slowly. Would you like it for here? Pause.
Repeat slowly. Would you like it for here? Pause. Accent 3 Friendly American style. Relaxed. Hey, what size do you want?
That means, what size do you want? Do you becomes do you.
Do you want any sugar with that?
That means, do you want any sugar with that? Repeat slowly. Do you want any sugar? Pause.
Repeat slowly. Do you want any sugar? Pause. I will say a fast sentence. You tell the main idea. Fast. Anything else for ya? Pause.
That means, anything else for you? Fast. That'll be 220. Pause.
That means it will be 220.
Real English is fast sometimes, but you are ready.
Yes, because now you understand the feeling of real speech. By the way, if these lessons help you practice English, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, we make new English conversation lessons every week to help you speak more naturally.
So, if you want to improve your English step by step,
subscribe and learn with us every week.
Now it's your turn. Speak out loud. Ready? Question 1. What would you like to drink? Pause 6 sec.
I'd like a coffee, please. Or, can I have a latte, please?
Question 2. What size would you like? Pause 6 sec.
Model answers, small, please. Or medium, please. Or large, please.
Question 3. For here or to go? Pause 6 sec.
Model answers, for here, please.
Question 4. Would you like sugar? Pause 6 sec.
Model answers, yes, please, 1 sugar. Or, no, thank you.
Question 5. Anything else? Pause 6 sec.
Model answers, that's all, thank you. Or, yes, a cookie, please.
Nice! You can order at a cafe now.
And even if you speak slowly, perfect. Slow English is clear English.
Now, the fluency test. You are at the cafe. You will order for 30 seconds. Use this structure. Hello. Can I have? Please. Size. Small or medium or large. For here or to go. Sugar. Milk. That's all. Thank you. How much is it?
Pause the video now and speak for 30 seconds.
Great job. Seriously, well done.
Yes, this is real progress. The more you do this, the easier it becomes.
Homework time. Write your cafe order in the comments. Write 4-6 sentences. Example. Hello. Can I have a latte, please? Medium for here, 1 sugar and a little milk. That's all. Thank you.
I will reply to some comments. Next, watch episode 3. Stop saying I am fine.
Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye! And be proud of yourself today. You practiced real-life English.